Toyeen Talks. To all our beautiful subscribers, we say thank you so much for staying with us. And you are new here, we are happy you find us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified for more upcoming videos. In the comment section, please no derogatory comments. Thank you all for watching. Till I will see you in my next video. Stay safe.
The press were there, questions were being asked and everything, and he gave answer in generality. So it was not because of this case. So people should not like make it look as if like, oh, the Attorney General.
No, I don't see you are completely wrong. We're not going to say you are completely wrong. But the thing is, when you want to give a case, General, but he said everything was already submitted. They have it. They don't even have Baba's autopsy and toxicology. Why did they proceed to give charges? This is what we question. This is what Bankole and Smith are questioning also. Because they're not supposed to. Today is not even supposed to happen. Today was not supposed to happen.
Wait, let me ask you a simple question. Who exactly is the prosecutor today in court? Is it the police? Is it the DPP? Who exactly is the prosecutor? Who invited Spending, Nurse, and everybody? Who took them to court? Who charged them to court today? On what basis were they charged to court today?
Okay, you asked a lot of questions. Let me ask, who took them to court? Everybody went respectively with their lawyers on their own private car. Nobody took them
before
to court.
You go to court, I cannot just wait until I go to court now. I would have been someone.
The question, you are interjecting it again. I don't know how I'm going to ask it.
Okay, I'm listening. Okay,
everybody went to court separately with their lawyers. They all went there. The judge that was supposed to be sitting today, Olatubosun, who was absent today, the prosecuting, I believe, was the EPP.
No. Don't tell me I believe. Be factual. 100%. It's not I believe or I think.
EPP. Department of the Public Prosecutor, that's the one that went there. And they have a file with them. So, the judge was not on seat. They could not read it.
Madam Iris, I'm so sorry to let you know the DPP cannot charge anybody in magistrate court. It is the High Court.
They are not charging.
So what exactly
they went there with their advisory file. This is who they're advising. That's probably this advisory is the judge that we charge.
So what you are saying does not even work like that. I don't understand. Like the DPP wants to advise. They are giving what advice? Then they will invite the old suspects. Then they will give the advice to them. Like who exactly are they advising? Is it the suspect or the police or the prosecutors? That's it. What you are saying? Like I'm telling you, like
listen, you are confusing it. Calm down. You need to calm down.
I'm calm.
You need to calm down. You are not calm.
I'm calm.
Do you know? Do you agree they were in court today? Or
yes,
are you with Fantagoras that said they only went there to nobody was there? It's for something else.
I agree with you 100% that they were in court today. 100%. I agree with you.
And did you listen to the press
what
release?
You are reading for me is press release. Anybody can go to court and write anything. I've seen the likes of Westo go to court, listening to another thing come outside and say any other thing.
Press release is from Punch.
I don't care about Punch. Punch has given so many misleading statements. The same Punch that wrote some months ago that
hold on 1 second. You are not relaxed. It was the same Punch that wrote what the Attorney General said, right? So okay. Can we? Message or the press release concerning the Attorney General, was it a misleading information?
It might be, yes. It might be.
Let's close the case. Then there's nothing to talk about. Let's all wait for tomorrow. Is going to be another interesting day.
Hold on, sir.
Don't let us jump the gun. Hold on. write anything, you don't believe it, they give misleading information. So I don't know where to go and how to go about it with both of you anymore. You believe there was something today. You does not even believe there was anything today. He has no clue about it, and I was trying to explain.
Wait, Supreme, can you just give me 1 minute? Listen to me. What I'm saying is this. In a sense, is this
Chairman, come up if you want to.
This level that we are now, you understand? I think on this whole case, after 1 year, we should be over and above. I think, I hope, I assume, no, everything anybody wants to see should be 100% factual. You understand? What I'm telling you is, as of today, even based on the Punch report you read or anything, you are not sure or 100% sure of what the suspects were invited to the court for, what they were summoned for, who is prosecuting them, what they were charged for, anything.
Why are you saying I'm not sure? I just told you everything and you are going back to it. One thing is, why do you think they were in court today if there was nothing going on? Give me from your own knowledge and wisdom, okay? Why or what reason do you think they will be in court today? Please go for it.
Listen to me. What I said is this: they were in court today. For the reason why they are in court today was not even stated in the press release of Punch. You don't know, you are not sure, you cannot 100% say like, oh, this is the reason the whole suspect, because if the names mentioned or listed in the press release of Punch, which is the nurse, Spending, Prime Boy, these were all the suspects being listed by the police from the beginning of this whole case. So now what I'm saying is this: we don't even know what they were summoned for, because if they've not been summoned, the nurse would not have gone there with a lawyer, Spending would not have gone there with his lawyer, Prime Boy would not have gone there with his lawyer. So it simply means they went there for a purpose. So now we should not just come online and start assuming this thing sell like this one go this way, this one go this way. Why not maybe like speak directly with maybe the legal advisor of any of those suspects who were in court today, so that they can give proper clarification, not just depending on the press release of Punch alone.
I am very happy that you are at least halfway. You've passed the level of Pythagoras, because he is of the opinion that they went on their own, not related to Moba's case. So you have crossed that part. Okay? So if this is a 400 meters, I think you are 200. He is still at the starting point, because
don't abuse anybody.
It's not an abuse. I'm just trying to understand it. It's not an abuse. I'm using an illustration because it's easier for me to explain that way. Now that you are at this point, you know that something happened today and these people's lawyer were there for a purpose. Your question to me now is, why were they there? For what purpose? Have they been charged? And I told you why they were there. It was a 9 o'clock sitting. I was getting information why they were there. We've been here now almost 6 hours. And I was reading is that the DPP have submitted his advisory file. They were supposed to read everything today. And from the intel, we know, according to what you said, I didn't even see the paper you were referring to, because when I see, I didn't see Spending and the nurse. So we were expectant that today Spending and Prime Boy will be remanded. Spending and the nurse, rather, will be remanded, and that will be the case, because they will be remanded, because they will now be completed and they will be held accountable, or whatever the case may be, and they will be in custody. But that did not happen today, because the judge, Olatubosun, was not on seat. And they have adjourned this case to the February 25. Simple as ABC.
Okay.
And what I'm trying to say in addition is, what I said in addition is, hold on, Chairman, one quick second. what I said in addition now is I now saw someone now sent me the paper. I now saw the paper. I now say, wow, this is even Mohbad's ally spending raises alarm over alleged prosecution plots. So we all went through it, we read it, and all I'm saying like, oh, this is nice because even if it is an allegations or no allegations, allegedly, even if it's allegedly or a rumor, for him and his lawyer to raise an awareness, they want to put a plot, it's a public awareness, and we all can cry out and say, no, the inquest is still going on. The inquest is supposed to be going on. The inquest is not concluded yet, and we have a case of Smith and Bankole in court tomorrow, Thursday. Why do you want to do this? And there will be more people, and public cry can halt the process of what Pantagora said, that the DPP has the right to veto anything he can do and undo, which is true. But hey, the sanity and the sanity and the sacredness of the judiciary system or the law should be upheld. Not just because I have the power to do this, I can just do that. No. So if spending lawyer with this that he has done, everybody will be talking about it, people will be making calls, and they will call the DPP and the department, and everybody will write their petition, and everything will go and probably we will be able to overturn the DPP's decision to proceed to the High Court without the conclusion of the inquest. Thorough conclusion, because I think Baba Mohbad said it on Sunday that his reports from the autopsy and toxicology is out, and that should have been at the inquest. They will read it, they will cross-examine it and do whatever they have to do. So I am agreeing with you, Oluwatosin, that the inquest is going on and we should not proceed with any charges whatsoever. I like that. But Pythagoras told us that the DPP have the power, so we know that. We know that there's nepotism and power pass power in Nigeria's law system, but we don't want that. That's what we're saying. So you and I, we are on the same page.
Supreme Ibeee, can I quickly just conclude before I go? So I want to try to understand your point now. So spending and his lawyer, Brian Boy and his lawyer, the nurse and her lawyer, they were all in the court today for a case we know nothing about, for a case we know what the charges are about. The judge is not there, the prosecuting lawyer is not there, the lawyers to Baba Mohbad.
How did you know the prosecuting lawyers were not there?
Hold on, can I just... Oh, Supreme Lady, please, just give me a minute, please.
Okay.
Please. The judge, according to you, was not there. The prosecuting lawyer, according to you, you do not know. So it is safe to assume nobody was there. Baba Mohbad, who is an interested party here, was not there with his lawyer. Omowunmi, who is another interested party in this case, was not there with her lawyer. Adura, Mohbad, all these interested parties, they were not there with their lawyer. The entertainment lawyers were not there. Nobody was there. Just Prime Boy and his lawyer, Spending, and the nurse. Please, can we all make it make sense? So that's why I'm saying, why can we not deal with the facts and not assumptions? And from our previous conversations, you now always like to stay on the path of facts and evidences. It's not like, I don't know, like there might be some information out there unofficially, but I like to deal with what is facts, what I can show, what I can prove, what will make sense logically. And that's why I'm telling you, the only thing we know of this case presently now is that the Attorney General released a press statement that they want to take this to court. Up to now, we've not seen any charges officially against anybody. Up to now, the coroner inquest has not given any release, any press release, saying the inquest is now over. The last we had was that there was a stay of proceeding. Up to now, Bankole and Smith has not come out to tell us that their case in court has been dismissed, maybe because the coroner's inquest has been closed, because if there's a case in court on this issue now by the DPP or the Attorney General, that means the coroner's inquest will come to a suspension or a close. And that means the case of Bankole and Smith in court will become moot. That means the case will be dismissed, because that is the whatever their case is built on in court. If there's no coroner's inquest, there's no Bankole and Smith case in court. So all these things have not happened. So how will I be able to come out here and tell people spending and the nurse have been charged, Prime Boy will not be charged?
I did not tell you they have been charged. I said they are going to be the people to be charged.
Based on what information?
You have to use the exact words. To be and have been does not mean the same. Hold on, Pythagoras. Hold on. You want to make it make sense. You can go on and proceed and drop, because every time you give submission, you say you want to make submission so you can drop. But what I'm telling you is, at least Oluwatosin, so they were just in court today for nothing. I sent them there.
That's the only sense I can make out of this.
That's what you can make out of it.
That's what any reasonable person will make out of this. Anyways, Supreme, thank you for the time. I need to go now.
Okay, please, thank you. Go have a blessed day. Go ahead, Chairman.
May I ask a question? Good morning.
Go ahead, sir.
The question I would like to ask is, who arranged them in court today?
The police. Well, there was no court sittings today because the judge was not there.
I understand. So it was the police.
The police. You remember these people go every Wednesday to sign anyway. The police arraigned them today.
So the police arraigned them today.
Yes.
Which means police is meant to prosecute them today, to start the prosecution today, accordingly.
So start the prosecution? No.
So, no, that if you arraign them today, so you want to read their charge to them and blah, 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 blah. That's what's meant.
Yes, sir.
Unfortunately, the judge was not present. So they now took another date till February, right? Which
yes,
means
it's been adjourned to February.
So which means what happened today is at the
yes, that is what we are saying. We do not want them to be reminded with the inquest still on hold. That's what we want. What you guys are saying is exactly what I want. But that is not what the DPP wants to do. I think the DPP wants to jump the gun. That is, in fact, I'm with you on this. Go ahead, sir.
I understand it.
So, if I understand this well, it means what happened today is at the instance of the Commissioner of Police for Lagos State with respect to this case, and not DPP